Oh! Wow, there's that pain. And I've got my 100% TCA. We're gonna dilute it down to 30%. So there's 1 ml right here, and we're gonna do 3 of these notches TCA, and then we're gonna do the rest in water. If I divide it into 10 parts, then I'll understand it better. Yeah, let me wear these while I'm doing this. All that's gonna do, but see, did you see that? So that's 3 parts TCA, 7 parts water, 30. Put a little on my brush. Oh! Wow, there's that pain. Getting around my eyes because I can't get there with the micro needling. Ah! Day 2. This is deep. This is deep. They're like scabbed up. I'm kind of scared.